Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this channel. We will discuss the latest job openings from African country. So there I have good salary and a good opportunity with good profile jobs. So guys, if you're interested to apply for this job, then keep watching this video till the end and know how to apply and what is the qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job and everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. The first of is CEO. This is a high profile skill jobs. So for a CEO, of course, no need to be share everything. I just explained very shortly. This is a high profile jobs. So you should have the preferable qualifications and experience in the relevant field. Of course, you all of know that. I hope so. So guys, if you're interested to apply for this job in African country with a good salary, then apply through the following email ID, and you can get this email ID in the description below this video. So this is a hiring for CEO or CEO manufacturing, supply chain and technical. So as you can see here, as if you want to apply as a CEO in a manufacturing and supply chain, of course you should have the relevant field experience. So you should have experience in manufacturing and supply chain as a manager or senior manager, then you can apply for the CEO post. So for demonstrate Beverage Group in Africa. This is a good company in African country and they can provide good salary with a high facilities. So if you're interested, you can apply as soon as possible by the following email ID. And the incumbent number one must have managed multiple plants for beverage industry. So please keep it in mind it very carefully. You should have managed multiple plants for beverage industry. This is the basic needs to apply for this job. Second, must be graduate engineer. So this is the qualification and experience details. If you are fulfilling this criteria which is mentioned by the employer right here, then you can apply and you are eligible to apply for this job. So interested candidates meeting their above criteria, please share your CV in the following email ID and you can reach out also in the contact numbers. So first of all, I can suggest you, if you have the proper experience and proper qualification, of course you can apply as soon as possible. And I can suggest you, if you are really eligible for this job, try to apply. After you apply, you can get to know how to process, how to attend the interview, and at least attend the interview, and at least you can discuss with the clients about job, about salary, everything. So my suggestion will be the same. Please try to apply in this email ID, and you can follow them by the contact number also, and try to attend the interview also. So let's move to next opportunity. This is a multiple vacancies in West Africa. So urgent openings, West Africa, long term visa, free recruitment. That means all process will be done by the company or the employer. Immediate departure. That means you should have a notification periods minimum 15 to 13 days. Then you can immediate departure if you will selection for the interview. So guys, offering for a leading oil and gas company for their offshore project. So this is all about the oil and gas project, and you should have the proper knowledge in the relevant field. That means you should have experience in the oil and gas industry. So let's focus on the profile. What is the job profile? Number one, site supervisor, superintendent in charge. So to work as a supervisor in oil and gas industry, you should have minimum of 5 years experience in offshore for painting and scaffolding works execution. They are mentioning specific norms and conditions. If you are fulfilling these conditions, then you can apply for this job. So to work as a supervisor in oil and gas industry, you should have minimum of 5 years experience in the offshore or for painting and scaffolding works execution, NSE 1 or FRO SIO certified. This is some specific certificates to work in oil and gas industry in the proper way. So offshore training like HUET, TU, SIT, H2 certificates required even if expired. Salary only during work paid 180 to 220 euro per day. This is a good opportunity. Don't miss it. Your shift will be 12 hours and flat rate for all days. Right. Number two, Number two position is QC inspector, quality control. So guys, you should have minimum of 5 years of experience as a quality control in oil and gas industry. This is the basic needs. If you are fulfilling these conditions, then of course you can apply as soon as possible. So to work as a quality control inspector, you should have minimum of 5 years of experience, and you can apply by the following email ID. I will provide you the email ID how to apply. So move to next. Also, quality control inspector in scaffolding. So you should have minimum of 5 years of experience in the relevant field. Then only you can apply. So guys, for this all three positions, if you are really eligible for this job, then you can apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, the employer or the company mentioned here, all candidates should be fluent in English with French as an added advantage. That means you should have to must have to knowledge of fluent English, and your communication should be strong in English. And if you know the French language, then that will be an advantage for you. So food, accommodation, transportation, medical provided by the company. This is a good opportunity. 12 hours working, 45 days shift on or off. Mobilizations, air ticket, very time air ticket after 45 days cycle will be provided by the company. So this is a good opportunity. Immediate joiners needed. Candidates should have experience in international offshore projects. Interested candidates, please email your CV to the given official email ID. So you can get this email ID in the descriptions below this video. So today I already shared with you very important job openings, latest job openings from African country. So I can suggest you don't miss this chance if you are really eligible for this job. If you have the proper qualification and experience as per mentioned right here, you can apply as soon as possible. So I already shared with you today for CEO jobs and for site supervisor in oil and gas industry, quality control in painting in oil and gas industry, quality inspector in scaffolding with oil and gas industry. So there are four job profiles today I already shared with you, and I hope you can apply as soon as possible if you are really eligible for this job. So I already shared the applying process. Still, if you have any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give you answer. So finally, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will try to give you the latest job openings, new information. So up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every videos, try to apply continuously, and I hope you can fulfill your dream to get a job in abroad. So guys, again lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Share this informations who really want a abroad job, and if they have the proper qualification and experience as per requirement by the employer, then of course they can apply for this job. So guys, bye bye, best of luck.